Today we're making this stunning pilaf rice with dried cranberries, toasted nuts, basmati rice and a few spices to bring everything to life. I think you're going to want to try this one. So here's everything you need. Now if you're not familiar, pilaf rice is a dish where the grains are first sautéed with aromatic spices to create a fluffy rice that's full of flavour and packed with taste. First I've got 200 grams of basmati rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps to keep the rice nice and fluffy. If you have time, soak it for about 15 minutes and then drain. Peel and dice 1 small onion and roughly chop 1 clove of garlic. Next we'll toast our nuts. Heat a dry pan and add about 25 grams of chopped almonds or any nuts of your choice and toast them until golden and fragrant. This gives them an amazing crunch and a greater depth of flavour. Remove them from the pan and set them aside for later. In the same pot add 15 grams of butter, ghee or olive oil, and once it's hot add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, or you can use ground cumin, a small cinnamon stick and a couple of cardamom pods. Let them sizzle for about 30 seconds to release their aroma and then add in the diced onion and the finely chopped clove of garlic. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and soft, and this will create the flavour base for our pilaf. Stir in the drained rice so it's coated in the butter and spices and toast for a few minutes until lightly golden. Then pour in 420 millilitres of vegetable or chicken stock and about 25 grams of dried cranberries. I've chopped mine up slightly, but you can leave them whole if you want. Now you can add a pinch of turmeric, and this is going to add a nice colour to our rice, and then season with a pinch of salt and a good grind of black pepper. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover with a tight lid and let it cook gently for 15 minutes. Don't stir, just let it steam. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat, but keep the lid on. Let it sit there for another 5 to 10 minutes so the rice finishes steaming. Then fluff it up with a fork. Finally, stir through a good handful of chopped parsley and then pile it up onto a plate. You can then finish it with those toasted almonds and some more fresh herbs. I'm adding a few fresh mint leaves for fragrance. So that's it, a fragrant cranberry and almond pilaf. Perfect for 2 people. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.